Forgotten username recovery failed on Varo Banking Fix. If you're struggling to recover your Varo Banking username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by trying random emails or skipping essential verification steps. The surprising truth is that with a structured approach, you can regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Open the Varo app and tap on Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your Varo account. Varo will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often get filtered automatically. Avoid sending multiple requests in a short period, as this can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, phone number, and recent transaction history. Contact Varo support directly with this information. Providing details like your last deposit or linked bank account can speed up verification. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it securely in a password manager. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security and prevent future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your Varo banking account efficiently, keeping your finances uninterrupted. Proper verification and credential management are key to smooth and secure access.